जैताची हॅट्रिक करत आम आदमी पार्टीन दिल्लीचे विधानसभा वेंचणुकेत हेर राज्य पक्षांचो धूप केलो. फाटले खेपे 17तले 67 सीट जिखून आयिल्ले. हे खेपे 62. राष्ट्रीय राजधानीत जंयसावन नरेंद्र मोदी देशाचेर राज्य करता थंय भाजपाचे झोळेत फकत 8 जागे पडल्यात. काँग्रेसीच्या वाट्याक जाल्यार 21 सीट येवंक ना. हे एक ऐतिहासीक जैत. पुराय भोवमतान अरविंद केजरीवाल तिसरे खेपे दिल्लीचो मुख्यमंत्री जाला. गोली मारो मोहिमेक सडसडीत जाप दितल्या आम आदमी पक्षा खातीर हो उत्सवावरी मनोवपाचो दीस. पुराय निकाल जाहीर जावचे आदींच केजरीवालान आपल्या जैताचे भाशणय केलें. भाजपा बरोबर काँग्रेसीनय ताचें अभिनंदन केलां.
दिल्ली के लोगों ने आज देश में एक नई किस्म की राजनीति को जन्म दिया, एक नई राजनीति को जन्म दिया जिसका नाम है काम की राजनीति. आज मंगलवार है. हनुमान जी का दिन है. हनुमान जी ने आज अपनी दिल्ली पे कृपा बरसाई है. भारत माता की इनकलाब वंदे.
आम आदमी पार्टीचे हे जैत तशें अपेक्षितच अशें जैत. आप दिल्लीच्यो शिमो हुपून वतले. हो फॉर्म्युला पंजाब आनी गोंयांत वापरतले अशे प्रस्न टीव्ही वयल्या चर्चांनी फुडें येताले. इंडिया टुडेचेरय अशेच तरेची एक चर्चा राजदीप सरदेसाय आनी आशुतोष हांच्या मदीं जाली. आशुतोष जो आम आदमी पार्टीत गेल्लो आनी 2017चे वेंचणुकेंत गोंयांत प्रचाराकय आयिल्लो, पूण सध्या तो आप सोडून परत पत्रकारितेंत गेला. पळयात ही उमळशीक ताणपी चर्चा.
Ashutosh, celebrations are one thing, but this belief that the Aam Aadmi Party can grow beyond Delhi, is this a victory at the end of the day that reveals both the strengths and limitations of Arvind? The same Mr. Kejriwal 7 months ago could not win in a single assembly segment in Delhi. Are we to see he's a leader purely confined to Delhi Vidhan Sabha?
Rajdeep, firstly, let me define this victory. I define it development plus Hindutva minus hatred. That's what Aam Aadmi Party victory is. If he refused to go to the Shaheen Bagh, he projected himself as a Hanuman Bhakt. He did not shy away from touching his mother's feet in front of the cameras and putting the same pictures on the social media. So he was giving a very clear picture that yes, he's a Hindu and I am also a devout Hindu plus minus hatred. So I think it's a different kind of model which Arvind Kejriwal is giving to the entire opposition, that don't get trapped by BJP's campaign. Don't get yourself closer to the Muslim voters. Now you fight for the division of votes among Hindus. So if you could divide Hindu votes and add certain Muslim votes and the minority votes, then BJP is going to be in serious trouble. My analysis is that if Arvind Kejriwal stops being impulsive and starts thinking and starts calculating, then he's a more dangerous politician this country has. See what has been the two strong pillars of Mr. Modi's ideology and his narrative. One is nationalism and another is Hindutva. What Arvind Kejriwal has just said, he said Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Matram. Like once you said Bharat Mata ki Jai, now no Modi can question his integrity as a nationalist. So that is sorted. Now he's saying कि हनुमान जी के आशीर्वाद से हम जीत गए हैं. Now that part is also taken care of. Where we have a problem, the problem is when this narrative gets merged with hatred, venom. When you start showing your color that you hate Muslims or you hate minorities. I think as long as this cultural thing is there, I think it's going on the right track. But my worry is that if it takes another tangent, like what the Modi BJP does, that everything becomes an anti-minority, everything becomes anti-Muslim.
So what can we expect in the next few years? Can we expect Arvind Kejriwal to make a bid for Punjab, for Goa, all the states that he looked at as potential growth centers, or will he stick to Delhi, Ashutosh?
I think now it will be very difficult for him to cross the boundary. It will be very difficult.
Difficult for him.
He had a chance in 2015.
You don't think that can happen again?
I don't think that's happened. Unless
that's interesting that you're saying that he will find it much more difficult in his second innings to expand.
Raji, just 30 seconds. What has happened? He has lost that moral capital.
So he's won an election, but may not have changed the political culture that he hoped to change.
दिल्लीचे वेंचणुकेत आम आदमी पार्टीन काँग्रेसीचो धूप केलो. ताचेर गोंयचो विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी दिगंबर कामतीन प्रतिक्रिया दिल्या. पळयात तो कितें म्हणटा तो.
Goa is totally different. In Goa, Aam Aadmi has tested the ground. They are tested for the last 3-4 years. They are testing the ground. I don't think that will have any impact on Goan politics. It should not harm the Congress.
मुखेल खबराकार ग्लेन कॉस्टा बरोबर पणजेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार अमर चावरिया.